Hello, this is the second of a series of tutorials about notifications in Planeasy. It shows two more examples of notifications, number 2 and 3. Example 2 is related to modifications done to allocations of resources, and example 3 is related to modifications done to the resources themselves and their attributes. This tutorial assumes that the user is familiar with Planeasy and the mechanisms through which all typical planning operations are performed. It also assumes that all related notification settings have been pre-configured by system administrators. For the example 2, let's consider a construction site burn, where a number of resources of different types have been allocated. Workers, machines, and so on. Among them, an excavator 313 GC, whose allocation needs to be extended by 1 or more days. Depending how things have been configured, 1 or more users can receive a notification of the allocation change. In our example, the change has been performed by the construction site manager, which we call Peter Siteman. And both the planner, we have called him Mark Plannerman, and the fleet manager, we have called him Jeff Fleetman in the example, receive a notification. We can see the configuration of it by opening the corresponding construction site resource item, where we see that the Mark, the planner, has been selected for the attribute called coupled user, and Jeff, the fleet manager, has been selected for the additional attribute called machine link. By coupling Mark to the construction site burn, we make sure Mark can receive notifications when any change happens to any allocation of any resources allocated to burn. Jeff can receive notifications when any allocation change happens to any machine type of resources allocated to the construction site burn. Let's perform the allocation change and see. What we see now are 2 messages have been received, one by the planner and the other one by the fleet manager, both with the title allocation changed, with a text describing the allocation change. For the example number 3, let's still consider the construction site burn and the excavator 313 GC, which at the present time of our example has been assigned and is being used on the site. The excavator unfortunately breaks and needs immediate replacement and repair. One of the many powerful features of Planeasy consists of the ability to selectively give the authority to people in the field to edit certain parameters and perform certain actions in the planning environment. In our example, one of the parameters has been defined as status and allows workers in the construction site to edit the parameter directly on their mobile phone, and through that procedure a notification about the unforeseen failure. They can indeed add information to it, either through additional optional text field or a predefined checklist, and add pictures to it. In our example, a construction site worker edits the resource item of the excavator and selects the Need Repair option, which until now was in the functional status. In this case, it is not the allocation that has changed. It is the resource item itself which has been modified. Also in this case, a notification can be sent to one or more users depending how the notification system has been configured. In our example, a notification is immediately sent to the person responsible for the fleet of machines. This will be the one who will take care of the machine to be repaired and replaced. For this first notification to be sent, the user Jeff Fleetman has been coupled with the resource item excavator of the machine type through the attribute coupled user. At the same time, a notification has been sent to the responsible of the construction site, who manages the overall execution of operations. And finally, a notification has been in parallel sent also to the planner, who needs to adjust plans accordingly. We can see here the 3 notifications with the title item changed and a text inside describing the change. Of course, what we are describing is how we have configured the system, and it is up to your team and manager to decide how this needs to be set up for your company or your specific site and different types of resources, all of which is totally and individually programmable to fully match your needs. Moving from there, the team can handshake repair and replacement of the excavator, and based on their predefined procedure, and collaborate online until the case is solved and results shared with all concerned parties. Once more, planning is easier with PlanEasy. Thank you for your attention.